All right, up for grabs is a pair of Pioneer HPM-40 speakers. Those that are not in the know, these speakers actually come from the JBL lineage of speakers. These were designed by a fellow by the name of Bart Locanthe, who designed its big brothers, the HPM-100s down below. And these are the HPM-40 speakers of the same line. So HPM stands for high polymer, and it was a special design of their drivers. They used a high polymer carbon basically to manufacture the drivers. This is a three-way speaker, super tweeter, tweeter, and mid-range woofer type of arrangement. And very nice sounding speakers, and you can see that all drivers are in excellent condition. The woofer has been completely refoamed, as well as on both speakers, and you can see how beautiful they look and what kind of great shape. They're circa about 1978. They're very highly desirable, very collector kind of oriented speakers, but they also sound fabulous. So we'll throw in a little bit of a tune here just to give you a flavor. Oh, I just hit the stop button, not the down button here. Let's try that again. Here we go. There you go. Lots of deep, beautiful bass, but it actually sounds wonderful through the whole spectrum. Lots of information on the internet about these things. Playing this band because it's a buddy of mine is the drummer for this band. And just to show how good these speakers sound, they sound phenomenal. And there you have it, an excellent pair of HPM-40s. They're not absolutely perfect. You can see that they do have a few little wear marks from, given their age, but they would still look good in any living room or man cave out there, and are in exceptional shape for their age. And they sound really good, as you can hear. And there you go. Thanks for watching. I don't expect these speakers will be around long, but there you go. Thanks for watching.